It's a very interesting and amazing at the same time, and it's the ability to transform the audio track, audio material into MIDI material, and then from MIDI material to score. So being able to watch at your sheets music, print it, adjusting, and do it whatever you want. So very easy. Let's start from the beginning. I just pre-recorded here an audio track. Let's listen to it. Okay, so here we have our audio material and audio track. How can I transform this audio track into MIDI track? Let's see it. First of all, let me get out of the way this Steinway grand piano. Let's delete it so I have everything clear and starting from the beginning. So I just go here, double click it, and as you can see, my track is in flex pitch. If you don't see flex pitch active here, you just have to click this button and select flex pitch. Once you have selected flex pitch, you will be able to see this screen and you will be able to see which note you did sing. So here I have my virtual piano keyboard and I can see I just sing an E, a D, a C, etc. a B, etc. So I want to transform this audio track into MIDI material. So it's very easy, guys, very easy. You go to Edit, you scroll down to the bottom, to the very bottom, and you have this option here, Create MIDI track from Flex Pitch Data. Let's do it. And boom. This is incredibly good. So I have my MIDI data here, and it's not super accurate. I mean, you have to do some little adjustment, but you are able to see your MIDI data and listen to it, and you have your melody very, very, very ready. So I have my material, my MIDI material here. So let's have a listen to it. I just upload an instrument, piano, Yamaha grand piano, so I can listen to my audio. I mute my audio track and listen to MIDI data. It's incredible, guys. From here, it's very easy to do everything you want and adjust in the piano roll, do everything. If some note is shorter than you want, you can make it longer, etc., etc. So but it's not everything, guys. From here, you can go to Score, and you have your melody already written in the sheets music. So let's listen to it. You are ready to print it or just make some little adjustments, and everything is easy and fast. So guys, it's just a scratch in the surface here, and just for you to have the idea. And don't remember to subscribe to my channel. Everything is easy here. Everything is easily explained. See you soon, guys.